230 at 101, lighting off.
We got Fire Punk Diesel out here at Ultimate Callout Challenge, and I understand you guys are a new record holder. Quickest door slammer diesel in the 8th, is that what I heard?
Yep, as of last weekend, we were able to take that title back. We had it last year for a minute, and then Ryan Milliken beat us at the Ducks race this spring going 428. And then last weekend we were able to go 427 at 177. So definitely still feel like we have quite a bit more left in the truck. We're just finally getting a decent handle on the chassis. We've known how to make the power, we just haven't known how to put it all to the ground yet. So we made some chassis improvements over the winter. We ended up actually shortening the chassis up some. We also lightened the truck up about 230 pounds over winter. So that's really helped our weight bias quite a bit. And then we've been working with the guys over at Mensker. John and Mark have been just super helpful on getting the shocks and all the chassis stuff dialed in. So helping us dumb diesel guys learning how to two-wheel drive.
So tell me what it takes to run a 427 with a diesel. What kind of power plant do you have in here?
We have a 6.7 liter based Cummins. We still do have a cast block, obviously highly modified. We have what we call a deck plate, pretty much just a lot stronger block. We have upgraded like a replaceable sleeve. We have a billet aluminum cylinder head on it. And then we're using a Garrett GT55 91 millimeter Gen 2 turbo. Pretty much, I guess, to simplify it, the turbo is there to push the nitrous through the engine.
And you guys are probably about half the way to some of these trucks are doing the sled pulls
at least,
and stuff.
Yeah,
the challenge.
We weigh in at 3140.
Oh yeah, they're all jealous.
Yeah.
Any idea approximately how much power the nitrous adds, just to give people a reference?
I would say we can probably make 17 to 1800 horsepower on just turbo, and according to our trap speed, we're making about 2700 horsepower.
Damn. So approximately 1,000 horsepower with the nitrous.
Something like that.
Being delivered through the turbo.
Right. Yep.
Or in the manifold. That's that's insane.
Yep.
So
no, this truck's a pretty cool opportunity for us. It's actually a customer-owned project.
Really?
The Articota family out of Texas owns it, and Edgar's a diesel head through and through, and he wanted to have the world's fastest diesel. That was kind of the goal we set out to accomplish. And then at the same time, also wanted to do some breast cancer awareness. His wife went through a pretty serious bout of breast cancer a couple years back, and so that's kind of his way of giving back. Every pass that the truck makes, Hot Shot Secret makes a donation to the fund, so we're able to raise some funds with the truck that way. And then there's also some bonuses in there for different things that we accomplish. So
really,
yeah, it's a pretty cool project for us. We're having a lot of fun with it. Yeah, it's a good time.
Is there a way for other people to donate to the cause?
The main way for people to contribute at this point would be through buying apparel. Proceeds from all of the Save the Rack stuff goes towards the fund.
Well, I saw the pass from last weekend, and I can't wait to see this thing around. I was excited to see it here.
Cool.
Thank you guys for coming here. I can't wait to check it out.
Sure.
Good luck.
Thank you.
God damn, that thing is violent. New diesel world record, I'm pretty sure. If it's not, it's at least the US record. That's crazy.
Dang, you did it again.
Okay.
Finally.
Thanks, Millie. Appreciate it.
Got her hooked up and went.
Wow, that looked good.
Felt good, nice and straight. That was a lot of fun.
That was so nice of you to break the record again so we could film it. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Not our best 60, but
dang.
And not our best mile per hour. Yeah.
110. There are plenty of people in the world that would kill for.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy, but
quickest door slammer diesel in the world again.
Again. I want to keep breaking it. Just keep going.
Hell yeah. We got 2 more chances tonight.
Hopefully. Well, take one chance at a time.
Yep.
Then we go.
Good luck. So the ODSS trucks had just pulled up in the staging lanes, and unfortunately we just got word that there's coolant 3/4 of the way down the track and in the right lane. So there's no way they can run the race tonight because it's about a 2-hour cleanup and it's 10:30 and they got a midnight curfew. So it was a treat to see these trucks run, and the eliminations were pretty crazy. We got the world record pass again that they broke last week and they did it again. And we got sled pointing tomorrow, so that's going to be a hell of a time. We'll see what happens tomorrow.